Alrighty. I'm just sort of mostly just brainstorming still. I figure once I make my first cut, well, I do have extra. Once I make my first cut, you know, and I'm kind of dedicated, what I'm trying to do, and actually I scored 4 more of these little corner pieces, because I went around and I grabbed another piece and it had some on there. So also what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get these feet off. So I got a wrench on here. But they're really on there. Oh, no, I thought maybe they glued it, but oh, come on. So I wish I had a vise, but I don't. Wow. Come on. Oh, sweet. So I can save these for the feet of the base. So they got a couple extra little pieces. These were just held in here like this, so I just yanked them out. Let's see. Wow, that's really on there. I don't really need to have these. I mean, if I can use them, great. If not, that's 2. This one's being a real pain in the ass. Will you stay on there, you rat bastard? I think some of these are just going to have to be... I mean, if I really wanted to keep them, I could just... I get 4. If I really wanted to keep them, I could just go and buy either new feet, these little ends here. I got 4 of them, so it's better than 0. I think this one's kind of a lost cause, unless I hit it with a hammer, but... Alright. So I can put these on and put them on the ground, so it won't just be a hole, it'll be, you know, that'll be the foot. I do a time check because I want to go to the park today and do a cooking video. 9:30. I got a little time. Got work today, so I'm kind of burning the candle at both ends. Okay, so what I did is, because I used this one on the top, what I went ahead and did is I set it here and measured it double so I can trim it down if need be. Made a mark with a Sharpie, and I'm just gonna cut through it. Damn it. See, this is when I start cursing with anger, because I'm not a patient guy, but holy crap. I think I'm gonna go buy a clamp tomorrow. Okay, a little angry. All I had to do was cooperate, but no. It wants to be a pain in the ass. why I don't do a lot of DIY projects, by the way. I'm not a very patient person at times. Alright. Pain in the ass. Let's see how that looks. So this will be the top. This will be the side. Get you back so you can see. I don't know if you can see that. I guess you can't, but that puts it up about, what, 10 feet? Maybe I can shave a foot off. Bring it down just a bit. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I literally got the tape measure out, measured off a foot. I'm actually pretty happy with that height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one more of these, and then I've already got one more of these. And I'm adding the little feet on here as well, as you can see. I got this. So all I need to do is cut one piece, which is this one here. And all I got to do is just literally just match it up. Mark it with a line. You see? Can't even see. Someday I will become a proper YouTuber. Let's see. Okay. I will say though, this PVC actually cuts pretty easy. All I kind of do is just go through it, and it doesn't bind up on me, and I just turn it. Ah, come on. It gives me some extras to play with. Alright. There's that. That.